Hi everyone, and welcome to day 13 of Live Well with Marissa at home. Today's workout is a LIIT workout, so a low intensity interval training workout. So we're not going to be doing jumping or any aggressive movements, but just a nice workout where you're not going to allow yourself to get into a place where you could be injured. So this is a great place for those of you that maybe can't jump around where you are at home. Possibly this is just a great workout for you if you want to keep it lower intensity or if you're new to working out. So let's go ahead and get started and warmed up. Step wide wherever you are. Bend into one knee. Good. Exhale to side two. Then go side to side. So bend. Good. So here you're just starting to warm up those inner thighs, your groin, as you go left to right. Now, will you still get a workout? For sure, but not everything has to be high intensity, which is what HIIT stands for, okay? Good. Now come through center this time. Exhale, hold. Good. Fold it forward. So take a nice deep stretch as you fold in, relax and breathe. Good. And then exhale, bring those feet together. Find the back of your mat. You're going to reach all the way up. Good. Fold all the way forward. Walk it out to plank. Exhale, right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. Walk it back. Good. Stand up at a squat. Nice. Reach up, fold in, walk it out, left knee, right knee, push it back, walk it back. Good. 2 squats. 1, 2. Nice. Reach up, fold. Good. Right side, left side, push back, walk it back. 3 squats. 1 more round. 1, 2, 3. Good. Reach up, fold forward, walk it out. Left side, right side, push back, walk it back. Good. Give me 4. 1, 2. Nice job. 3, 4. Good. Shake out those legs for me. All right. Lunge position. 1 foot forward, 1 foot back. Just going to bend, straighten your back leg. Good. 7, 6, 5. Just hold it if you need to. 4, 3, 2, 1. Left foot forward, right foot back. You could always do more than 8 reps if you want to. Good. Last 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Shake it out. Wide-legged stance. Turn your toes out. Squat, squeeze. Good. Squat, squeeze. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now get to the bottom of that. Pulse it out for 8, 7, 6. Knees are going wide for 4, 3, 2. Hold it down. Good. Come up. Shake out your legs. Nice work. All right. Go ahead and come to high plank. And now just take knee to elbow. So this is called a mountain climber. Also an oblique crunch. Sometimes it's done fast, but today we're doing it slow. Let's do twice. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good. Tap. 2. Tap. 2. Nice. 2. Good. 2. 2. 1 more right. 1, 2. 1, 2. Good job. Push it back. Nice. Nice. Exhale. Walk those hands back. Shake out your legs. All right. Now, from here, what I want you to do is take your legs together to one side. Take a big step over into a lunge. Hold it. Good. Step that foot in. Now, big step that way. Hold, hold, hold. Step it in. Good. So getting that work in by holding and then step together. Good. Step, hold, together. Nice. Step, hold, together. Good. Step, hold, together. Step, hold. One more time that way. Step, hold, together. Last one. step, hold, together. Good job. Back to plank, top of your push-up. And now you're gonna raise your right heel up and then bring your knee in. So up and in. Drop your left knee if you need to. Totally fine. Good job. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Step it back. Drop your knees. Take a quick break. Side 2. Now keep your right knee down. Extend your left leg back or high plank. Left leg is up. Heel, knee, heel, knee. Good. Up and in and up and in. Nice. 4. Bring it in. 3. Bring it in. 2. Bring it in. 1. Bring it in. Good. Walk those hands back. Way to work. Shake out your legs. Have a seat on your yoga mat. Workout mat. Nice. Hug your knees in. Lay down into that back. Now raise your feet up to the sky. Good. Palms go flat. Exhale, crunch up. Lower. Lower. Good. Nice and gentle. Now if that hurts your back, you can bend your knees like this if you want to, okay? Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Head comes down, feet go flat. Raise your hips up. Now you'll see some of these exercises during the hip workout, during the glute workout, during the arm workout. But again, when they're paired in all these different ways, you can continue working your muscles too. Good. Now take one leg up. Bring it down. Mini circle left, mini circle right. Bring it up. Good. 3 more. Down, circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Use your butt. 2 more. Bring it down. Circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Last time. Bring it down. Circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Good. Put your foot down. Put your hips down. Inhale. Exhale. Come back up. Good. Single leg to the sky. Inhale. Breathe in. Exhale. Knee height. Circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Good. Knee height. Circle right, circle left. Good. 2 more. Bring it down. Circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Last one. Bring it down. Circle right, circle left. Bring it up. Good. Both feet down. Lift your hips as high as you can. Exhale. Slowly lower. Good. Get on the pinky toe edges of your feet. So your feet almost touch, and now push your hips up. Good. So tone and squeeze the sides of those glutes as you go up. You've seen this during your glute workout. Pressing up. Good. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice job. Come on up. Let's go back to plank before we stand. So top of that push-up. Now, option 1, drop your knees. Option 2, they're up. You're going down and up. Good. Down, up. 6, press. 5, press. 4, press. Just hold a plank if it's too many. Last 2, last 1. Good. Stand up. So what I'm trying to do is not keep you on your feet for too long, not keep you laying down for too long, and not keep you in plank for too long, so your body doesn't get tired, all right? Curtsy lunge, so hands to your hips if you need to. Hands forward, whatever you wish. Step wide, tap. Good. Step wide, tap. I love the curtsy lunge, just a different kind of lunge. Really good for the body. Good. 5, 4, 3, 2, and switch legs. Ready, set, let's go. Over. Good. Over. Over. Nice. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Shake out those legs right here. Now what we're going to do is you're going to reach opposite hand. First elbow and then toe. Okay? Stay on one side. Let's do 8. So it's elbow, toe, elbow, toe. Good. Elbow, toe, elbow, toe. Nice. 5, tap, 4, tap, 3, tap, 2, tap, and then give me 1, switch sides. Heart rate's up, we're not jumping. Ready, set, go. Elbow, toe, good. Elbow, 2, elbow, 3, elbow, 4, elbow, 5, elbow, 6, 2 more, elbow, 7, elbow, 8. Good job. Nice way to get that heart rate up. Hands and knees. All right, now find that donkey kick. Press and in. Press and in. Good. So starting to fire up those glutes. We did something similar to this in plank. Last 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Nice. In, up. In and up. Good. 6. Press. 5. Press. 4. Press. 3. Press. 2. Press. 1. Press. Nice. All right, curl those toes. Big press back to down dog. Gonna keep your hands wide. Look back at those toes. Exhale, tap your head. Press. So some of you may hold, other of you may lower and lift with me. Do what's best for you. Good. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Drop your knees. Now, side plank on the right, so right knee down, left leg out, hold, or left leg forward, right foot back. We're here for 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep your knee down if you need it. In 2, high plank. Either drop those knees, left leg, right leg out, or right leg forward, shoot the left leg back. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come all the way down to your bellies. All right, so take those hands back by your sides. You're gonna come up, and then you're gonna come down. Good. Lift and lower. Give me 5, 4, 3. We're gonna stay up on 1, 2. Hold it up. Good. 8, 7. Use those muscles in your back. You got this. Come on. 4, 3, 2. Hands under your arms. Curl those toes. 5. Plank to stomachs. Use your knees if you wish. So option 1, press up, tap your chest. Option 2, lift your knees, press up, tap your chest. All right, 4 more. Come up, come down, come up, come down. Good. Come up, come down. Last time. Come up, come down. Good. Everybody up. Nice. Come all the way to your feet. Breathe once you arrive. Good. Now, standing here tall, take one leg out to the side and then pulse. Good. So you want to feel that on the outside of your hip. While you're standing, bend your knee just a little bit and then try to keep your head up. Yes, you'll have a small lean, but the goal is not to lean too far, okay? Do 3, 2, 1. Now circle back. 3, 2, circle forward. 3, 2, 1. Good. Switch legs. Up, 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 up. Nice. 4, 3. Circles in 2, 1. Circle 3, 2, 1. Go forward. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Shake out those legs. All right. Squat, pulse, come up. Squat, pulse, come up. We're almost done. Squat, pulse, come up. Squat, pulse. 4 more. Squat, pulse, 1. Squat, pulse, 2. squat, pulse, 3, squat, pulse, 4. Good. Now, call these monster walks. You can always do it with a band on. We're gonna get low and this is how we'll finish, okay? In 3, 2, 1. Squat, small steps forward, pause, small steps back. Good. Forward, pause, back, pause. Good. 4, pause, back, pause. 3, get low. The lower you go, the harder you work. Good. Last 2 right here. Good. Bring it forward. Bring it back. And then shake it out. Nice job, guys. Go ahead and fold forward. Reach down for those toes for a second. Big exhale. Good. And then come on up. So that was almost about 15, 17 minute workout for you. It's a low intensity workout. So what I would love for you to do, rewind it, hit play from the beginning and do it all over again, okay? Otherwise, if you're new to working out or you're pairing this with other workouts, then this is a great pair. This is just all the time you have for today. That's also fine too. Otherwise, I highly encourage you to repeat this again. So real quick, zip your mouse back to the beginning or your finger, and then hopefully you had a great workout. Thanks so much, guys, for joining me. I appreciate you joining me on this challenge, and please feel free to share it. Thanks, guys.